Welcome to RHCSA Guru. In this lab, we're going to learn about managing basic storage. We'll cover how to create partitions on a disk in Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So let's get started. To get started, open a new terminal in VS Code. Click on the menu icon, choose Terminal, and then select New Terminal from the drawdown. Use the fdisk-l command to list all available storage devices and their partitions. You'll see a 5 GB disk named /dev/me2n1 with no partitions. That's the disk we'll be working with in this lab. Now let's create a partition on the /dev/nvme2n1 disk. To start the partitioning tool, run fdisk/dev/nvme2n1. Inside the fdisk utility, press the N key to start creating a new partition. For the partition type, number, and the start and end sectors, simply press Enter to accept the default values. To save the changes and write the new partition to the disk, press W and hit Enter. Now use fdisk-l again to confirm that the new partition has been created successfully. Next, create an XFS file system on the new partition, /dev/nvme2n1p1, by running the mkfs.xfs command. To verify that the file system has been created, run the allocate command on /dev/me2n1p1. Now let's mount the disk. Start by creating a new directory called data under the root using the mkdir /data command. Next, mount the partition /dev/nvme2n1p1 to the /data directory using the mount command. To confirm the partition was mounted successfully, use the df-h command to check the mounted file systems. To ensure the disk is mounted automatically on reboot, we need to edit the file system table. Open the /etc//fs tab file using AVI text editor. Edit the /etc//fs tab file and add the given line at the end. Make sure to separate each value with a tab and double-check for accuracy, as any mistakes could prevent your system from booting properly. Now reboot the machine with the reboot command. After a few minutes, click Reload on the pop-up to reconnect. If there's a misconfiguration in the /etc//fs tab file, you'll see a 504 error, and the lab will need to be restarted. After the reboot, verify the partition by running the df-h command again to ensure everything is mounted correctly. To unmount the disk, use the unmount command followed by the directory, like unmount/data. To mount the disk again to the /data directory, use the mount-a command. This will mount all file systems listed in the /etc//fs tab table. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the lab. Don't forget to mark it as completed.